Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Sorry for the gap in my videos. I've been doing stuff, but hope everybody's well. I appreciate the support. Got a Walmart goodie that I found recently in the boating section of my Walmart. I came across this. It's poofed out compared to the way it looks when you first get it, but it's a floating wallet is what it's called, and it says it should hold 5 keys and a few more additional items and still float. But I'm not so much worried about it floating, because the idea I had when I saw this thing was very similar to the oh, there's some birds over there trying to get my chicken. Anyway, similar to the Tough Possum Gear belt pouch that I turned into an emergency kit. And it's orange and it holds quite a bit of stuff. There's a previous video on it if you look back in the feed. But this is small, neoprene, bright. And the only thing I wasn't sure about is the quality of it. But for, I think it was $4, we will run it and see what it's all about. See, I got her poofed out pretty good there, but all I would use it for, and it wouldn't be that big a deal if it got wet, the way that I have everything set up, is I added the S-bender here and an adjustable set of straps. So I can put this and put both of my arms in this and have this just riding across my back like a backpack. I can put my arms in this and have it riding across the front. I can put both of these across my body and have it on. And I can have it on under like a SPF hoodie or under a life jacket. It's really not that big when it comes to what it would do. You could put it on and poke it out the hole that your arm goes through, and it could just kind of chill out beside you on your life jacket. Not a big deal. But what I put in it, pretty straightforward stuff, not anything super crazy. Inside, I have a Mylar blanket. I have a fire kit with a ferro rod, some Pro Camp Tech fire plugs, and some dog hair, because that helps me survive. And some mini glow sticks. I said an emergency Mylar blanket. A tiny button compass. Some micro cordage. And a Wazoo hardware tube that's got 3 hooks, 3 weights, a sewing needle, and 2 safety pins in it. I'm missing the tube with fishing line in it. That's all that I'm missing to put back in the sky, and then I'll have it exactly the way that I want it. And that's it for the inside. Oh, turn my light on. Sorry. Now, in this pocket, I've got a piece of fat wood. I need to put a small bicycle inner tube on there, and a sail needle would go in there too. Just a large needle. I've got this second S-bender in there, and on it I have clipped some reflective paracord with an extra ferro rod and a ceramic scraper. Just a tiny folder. I need to get one of them Knafs ones. Ben, I needed one of them Knafs ones. I meant to get one at Blade Show, and you wanted to talk to me, and then you got shooting a video, and I had to run. But we'll meet up Georgia Bushcraft. And a little LED flashlight. And to me, when we go canoeing, we're probably going to get out the same day. Just from where we go, it's most of the time we cross roads 24 times, or go under them, I should say. So it wouldn't be too hard for us to get out. But in the summertime, if it come down to this was all the stuff that we had left, I could do a lot with these items right here. And just camp out for a few hours until somebody got me. I could keep myself warm. I could build a fire. I could potentially sew something up if I needed to. Once I have my braid in here, I will be able to sew something up. Safety pins. I could fish if I had to. See where I'm going? Yeah, perfect. It's not very big, but that's okay. You know, you tend to pack as much stuff as you possibly can into something. So we always do a canoe trip. And I'll see how that guy rides. It might be awful, and I hate the way that it rides in my clothes, but then again, it may not be too bad. For what it is, you can kind of deal with the suck on some stuff, just in case. But we'll try it out and see. Anyway, Walmart Ozark Trail floating wallet. $4 survival kit package. We'll see how she goes. All right, y'all, I appreciate it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out all of our older stuff over on the Instagram at Bushcraft Kelso. bushcraftkelso.com for gizmos and gadgets. Later.